Hello, friends. Welcome again. Today, I'm here with a new video on a new topic with a product. As you can see on the screen, this is a Hifi audio amplifier. Friends, we know that in our day to day life, the digital devices are taking our places in our life everywhere. The digital devices like an Android mobile smartphone, Apple iPhones, iPad, laptop, and many more. Whenever we try to connect any outer speaker with our mobile phone or with our laptop, it doesn't play very well because the output power, the output that we get from our mobile phone, from our laptop, is not enough to drive a particular loudspeaker or a good sound speaker. So, in order to overcome with that, today I'm here with you all an audio amplifier. With the help of this amplifier, we can play our audio, music, songs, and many more on a big sound speaker very well. And we can hear it in a very loud and clear and a crystal voice onto the speaker. So without taking your long time, let's make an unboxing of this audio amplifier. Let's take a look what we get in this amplifier box. Today I have purchased a first number amplifier whose model is AK170. This is an audio amplifier. Let's make an unboxing. First, I'll just make a cut so that the box can be opened. You can see here, I'm getting a packaging here in this box, and there is an audio amplifier. Okay, there is nothing left inside. So we'll just keep the box aside and let's see. Here, it may be the instruction manual. Yes, it is instruction manual. Let's remove the cover. And this is an instruction manual, and this is the device. This is the audio amplifier. I really like the build quality of this amplifier because it is completely metallic. It is completely made with metal, which is quite strong. Let's take a look at the instruction manual. It is just a basic instruction manual here because it shows three different types of amplifier, because this company makes three different models. Our model is the AK170, the first one. As per the instruction manual, it requires a 12 volt DC power supply. There is a bass knob, treble knob, and as well as the volume adjustable knob. So let's keep aside this instruction manual and let's take a look at the device itself. So here is the device. As you can see on the screen, it's quite good. The build quality, I really like the build quality material of the amplifier. This is completely metallic. As you can see, this is the back side of the amplifier. Here, this L and R, the L stands for the left and the R stands for the right. This is the input of the audio amplifier. With the help of this input point, we can place our input signal that we get from our Android device, smartphone, laptop, or many more. So this is not a 3.5 mm aux input. This is called as the RC input connector. RC input connector is mostly used in lots of amplifiers. So, and this part here is the place where we have to connect our speaker. On this one, we can connect, you can see here on it, we can connect a speaker rating of 4 to 16 ohm on the right side as well as on the left side. Because as I said, this is a stereo amplifier, so we are getting two different lines of our audio signal on the left and on the right, which gives us a very good clear quality of the sound. And here is the power supply. Here in this, the power supply we can place by using an adapter if we are using in our household purpose, and as if we are using in our vehicles, our car, our any place. So we have to provide it the power supply directly through the battery. that we have in our vehicles. So this is what the amplifier is, and here in this front what we can see here, this is the power button. This is the power button. We have to press it. When we press, it turns on. When we press out, it turns off. This is the bass knob. Here is the adjustable knob. You can see there is a cut over the bass knob, with the help of which we can set the range of our bass, as well as this is the treble knob. With the help of this button, we can set the requirement audio through treble. The max is +10, the least minimum is -10. As this is the master volume button, after setting the bass and the treble, we can set our required volume. With the help of this button, we can set our volume very well. So this is our amplifier. Now I'll show you by connecting this amplifier with the power supply. Let me bring you the adapter that I have of a 12 volt DC. This is the power adapter that I have. This power adapter is having a voltage rating of 12 volts. Here in this amplifier, you can use an adapter with the voltage rating of 12 volts and from 2 ampere to 5 ampere ratings. Let me connect this power adapter with the power supply and make it connect with the amplifier. So I have connected the adapter with the power supply and this pin we have to connect it at the back side. Here in this port, like this, it is connected. As you can see here in the video, it is connected. Let's turn on the power and let's see whether do we have any indicator there in the front or not. Now I have turned on the amplifier and yes, we can see there is a crystal LED indicator which is in a ring form, which is around the volume control button. It shows that our amplifier is turned on. So guys, in order to give it this amplifier the input signal from our any digital device, this part is having the input signal. This is called the RC connector. So at this location we have to use this kind of a cable which is called RC cable. So here in this, the red color will connect with the red port like this, and the white one will be connect with the white port. The one white color is acting as a left side sound, and the R, that is a red color, is acting as a right color sound. So this cable, and now maybe you people maybe think about the how we will going to connect it with our device. So here we get an adapter. I have an adapter like this. So this is called RC to 3.5 mm adapter. So I'll just make it connect to this one and this one like this. But they're online or maybe in our retail shop. If you go and ask them, we need ask them for RC to 3.5 mm jack or a cable, they will provide you in a single piece. There will be no need for any connection 2 to 3 places. So because I had this adapter in a smaller form, so I just make a connection like this. And this is the 3.5 mm jack that you have to insert in your mobile phone, in your laptop, or in any of the devices from where you get the audio signal. So this 3.5 mm jack you can insert in any of your audio output device, audio signal device like this. So here I have my laptop, and I'll just make it connect to the 3.5 mm jack. From here, from the laptop, I get an audio output from this point, and through here it goes to the amplifier. I will also show you how to connect a speaker to this amplifier. So here I have one speaker which was there in my spare. So guys, here every speaker has a 2 line. One is positive, one is negative. As you can see here on the speaker, there is indicator. This one is the plus, this one is the minus. The minus is the black color wire and the yellow color is the positive one. So let's connect this yellow to the positive terminal and black to the negative terminal of the amplifier. So here we have our amplifier. See, take a look here. There is already indicate the minus is on for the black. So I'll just press this knob and just insert this wire inside the amplifier and it will get connect to it. See, it is very firmly hold, as well as the positive one will go to the positive. As I have only one speaker, so I am just connecting onto the right side of the amplifier. So here it is. Now I have connected with it, and I'll give you a very small audio demonstration of this amplifier. First let me turn it on and I'll show you that. So friends, let's turn on the amplifier and let's see the audio quality that we get from this amplifier. Let me turn on the audio. Let me adjust the volume little by little. As this is. So guys, you have listened the sound which I play through my laptop. You can also play any of the sound from your Android, smartphone, or any of your digital device. The sound is quite clear. This is a very old speaker that I have here and it's quite smaller in size, and it gives me a very basic sound effect. But if you have a big size loudspeaker, you can also connect your loudspeaker to this amplifier and you will gonna get a very good quality sound. So guys, this was my amplifier unboxing video. I hope you people will like it. And the one thing I would like to tell you all, if you see my video, if you like my video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share my videos and do like to my videos. Thank you so much. I need your all support through your subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Maybe in coming days, I will definitely bring more and more good videos with full of knowledge. Thank you so much. Once again, I am telling you all, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do share my videos and like my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.